Hello, in this demonstration video I will show you how to use tracing paper to copy an image by hand rather than using an electronic device. This video has been produced alongside another of my videos, how to emboss paper. Now I have my image here and I've just drawn it out on this card. It could be just paper, but I use this card because it's easier for the demonstration. It's a bit more robust. So the tracing paper I purchased in a pad from my local art shop. Now, because this is symmetrical, this is the first method, so it's symmetrical, so that side is the same as that side. So there's a centre line there. Now I'm going to just use a paper clip just to secure it onto the card. And I'm going to use a soft pencil. This is a 3B, but any pencil will do. So just if I can do it, is just to draw around it as best I can, around the lines, just a sort of firm pressure. Now if you do go slightly wrong, you can just use a rubber on the tracing paper and it will just take it out really well. Now I've got the line drawn and I would have completed the whole thing, you can then go to the next stage. Now to speed things up, I've already drawn out this image and the pencil line is on one side of the paper. So all I'm going to do now is turn it over onto a new piece of paper and then draw through it, draw around the shape, the line, to then give me my image. So I've got a new piece of card here, let's put that to one side. I'm going to use the paper clip again just to secure it onto the card. Now I'm going to use this soft pencil, and as I said before, you could use any pencil, but I quite like the soft pencil. So I'm going to just follow the line through. And as you see, it's now coming out. Now it is just a faint line. Do a little bit more. And because the pencil is on this side, the original line I drew through, the pencil will come out onto this side because I'm sort of transferring the design onto the other paper or card. Okay, so once you've completed as much as you want, let's move that, take that off, and you've completed the whole of the tracing, you can now follow that line and improve it if you want, or change it, or just outline it better, strengthen up the line. You could even paint it. You've got this very faint line, so you could paint up to it if you wanted to. Or if you didn't want to use pencil, you could use a rotary pen. You know, if you're very good at and got a good straight hand, it will be just as easy to use a pen. Right, let's go on to the next thing now. So if if it's not symmetrical, so I've got a design here which I've drawn out onto the tracing paper. There's nothing there, it's just on the tracing paper. So that's the original design in pencil, and I've just done the same thing. I've just followed it around, but as you can see, it's not symmetrical. So let's put this here. So I need, because the pencil line is on this side, I need to have something here to draw round, and then it'll then copy the outline of the shape that you've got, or the drawing. So there's two ways of doing it. You could just simply just shade over the whole area. This has got no pencil on it at the moment. The pencil is this side. So I'm just using a shaded area, which is quite popular to do this. Personally, what I prefer to do, and I'll get a piece of paper here so I don't ruin the piece of paper I want, is actually to draw back through it. Just follow the line with the pencil. Doing the shading it does work, and it works really well. The thing is, the pencil gets everywhere and everything starts to go a bit grey. So I prefer just to use minimal amount of shading, but just to draw it round with the pencil. Okay, let's see if we can make this come out. Now I could have, if I just drew through it, it would be the wrong way round. So I want it to face the way the original, so I wanted to face that way, not that way. So I'm going to use a paper clip again, just to secure it onto the card. And I'll now use the soft pencil and just gently, with a firm pressure, draw back over the lines I've just done. So I'm going to go over the shaded area just to show that works as well. And you can just turn it round if you feel better that way. Okay, let's see how this has come out. And as you can see, like magic, it's come out. So all you would now do is just go back over the line and just strengthen it up. And then you have your completed copied image onto a new card. Now, it may not be a graphic image. Now this is the original design I did of a Tudor rose, and I've done the same thing for another video. So I've copied it out, but it is a symmetrical and it is a graphic line drawing. But it could be just a picture. This is a photograph I took of a butterfly, and I thought I'd do a tracing of it to do a painting or something like that. So it is just, you could do this just with a photograph or a normal drawing, and it's the same method, either method 1 or method 2, to then transfer the butterfly shape onto another piece of paper. Well, that just about concludes this video. I really hope there's lots of takeaways for you, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.